Okay, this is to help with number 11 from homework 9.1. This is a recursive formula because we have the two parts, a sub 1, and then this is to get the next term, you use the previous term times 2 plus 3. So how it works is if we have n, the position, and then a sub n, the value. So we know the first term has a value of 3. A sub 1 is 3. And then you say, okay, to get the next term, you just do the previous one times 3 plus 3. So to get this term here, I just do 2 times 3 plus 3. So that would be, let's see, 6 plus 3 would be 9. So the second term is 9. And then to do the third term, you do the same thing. You take the previous one times 2 plus 3. So this would be 18 plus 3, 21. Fourth term, again, take the previous value. So 2 times 21 plus 3. So that'd be 42 plus 3. And then fifth term, just take the previous 1 times 2, 45 plus times 2 plus 3. So it'd be 90 plus 3, 93. Right, and that's how recursive formulas work, is you just take the previous one and then you use that to generate the next term in the sequence. All right, hope that helps.